Doron makes simulator equipment. Their customers include departmental organizations like fire departments, police departments, first responders, ambulances, as well as the Department of Defense, the Department of Energy, and they even have customers like Disney. Doron received a lot of benefits from the work that AM&T has done for them. They have, in fact today, they're very busy because they have a lot of new orders. Their business has increased exponentially as a result of increasing their capacity and their capabilities to service their customers. The Alliance for Manufacturing and Technology is a not-for-profit. We're part of the New York and nationwide Manufacturing Extension Partnership Program. We serve the 8 counties in the southern tier of New York, and we provide customized business and technical services to help manufacturers be more productive, profitable, and competitive. Doron and AM&T met several years ago. Our first efforts were around process improvement. We helped the organization on how they filled orders and processed orders in the shop. We've helped with working on their service processes as well as their installation and training efforts. And we have also helped with their cybersecurity assessment and remediation. Manufacturing is one of the cornerstones of our economy, and we work very hard to keep that strong in our communities. There's over 1,000 manufacturers in the southern tier. 74% of them are less than 10 people. So it's an important part of our work, and it's an important part of our communities and keeping them strong.